Well, I'm out in the shed. Been here since about 5. Always wanted a train set, and that's what I got for Christmas. Didn't really factor in there's quite a lot of electrics that go with this sort of thing. But hopefully I'll be able to get something that works out of all this stuff. Awesome, I think. Weird little German type plastic kits. Funny tram and a British Rail bus thing. It's a crane, track cleaner, wheel cleaner rather. There's little toy cars, which don't know about them. King George loco and the shunter. Well, now I've got to try and, well, I've sort of organised it. Now I've got to stow it so that I can try and get a little oval together that works. First step. Happy Christmas, everyone.